After heartbreak, men don't lose confidence. They lose standards. You start tolerating late nights, missed workouts, sloppy routines, and weak boundaries. That erosion compounds. Standards aren't rules for other people. They're commitments to yourself. When your standards drop, self-respect follows. Rebuilding starts by defining non-negotiables. How you wake, how you train, how you work, what you tolerate. Standards create identity. Identity creates behavior. If you want stability back, raise the bar internally before you demand it externally. You don't attract better outcomes until you enforce better standards.